we're gonna have Cosmopolitans. This is a very Sex and the City drink. So the recipe is 1 cup of vodka. I'm gonna put it in this beaker and then we'll shake them with ice. It's good already, right? And half a cup of triple sec or Cointreau, whichever you have. Half a cup of cranberry juice. How hard is this? Ah, look at that color. Great, and the last ingredient is fresh lime juice. 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice. Oh, love the color. Wonderful. Put ice in the shaker, and then pour the Cosmopolitans in. And shake. And then pouring. And then drinking. Doesn't that look great? That just looks like a party. This one's mine. Oh.